Hi, so I did my informative speech on McDonald's, and I chose this topic because McDonald's is one of my favorite fast food places to go to, and I thought it'd be really cool to learn more about. So, I'm sure you all know what McDonald's is, but these are just some interesting facts on what McDonald's is most known for. So, McDonald's is an American multinational fast food chain, and they serve over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries and more than 40,000 outlets. They have restaurants set up all over the world, including Germany, Europe, Asia, and so on, and it is the world's largest fast food restaurant chain. Although McDonald's menus include items like chicken, fish, fruit, and salads, they are best known for their hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and french fries. Also, McDonald's is the world's second largest private employer with 1.7 million employees and has the sixth largest global brand valuation. When McDonald's was founded. So siblings Richard and Maurice McDonald first opened McDonald's on May 1940 as a restaurant. Just 8 years later, the brothers introduced the speedy service system using the principles of the modern fast food restaurant we have today. The original mascot was a chef hat on top of a hamburger who was referred to as Speedy. Then later in 1965, the mascot clown Ronald McDonald was introduced to try to advertise and target the audience of children. McDonald's Golden Arches logo was only first introduced in 1958, and before that they used only a single arch for their buildings. In 1955, Ray Kroc, who was a businessman, joined the company as a franchise agent and later then proceeded to purchase the chain from the brothers. The restaurants. McDonald's came out with many different types of restaurants all over the world. The McDrive was located mainly near highways that would offer no counter service or seating. The Cafe is a cafe-style McDonald's restaurant usually located within the existing McDonald's, and the concept was created in Australia. Then we have the Create Your Own Taste restaurant from 2015 to 2016, where McDonald's tried a new gourmet burger service and restaurant concept where it was rolled out for the first time in Australia, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Arabia, and New Zealand. This included customers choosing all ingredients, including types of buns, meats, along with optional extras. McDonald's also had play places where there would be playgrounds in the actual McDonald's, usually in suburb areas, featuring large indoor and outdoor playgrounds. This was introduced in 1970. Lastly, we have the McDonald's Next, which was used as an open concept design to offer Create Your Own Taste digital ordering. And this concept offered free mobile device charging and table services after 6 p.m., with the first store opening in 2015. Charity. McDonald's announced a McHappy Day that began in 2007. It is an annual event at McDonald's during which a percentage of the day's sales go to charity. This was a signature fundraising event for Ronald McDonald House Charities. Also, McDonald's had a McDonald's Monopoly donation, where in 1955 St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital received an anonymous letter containing 1 million winnings McDonald's Monopoly game pieces. And although the game rules prohibits the transfer of prizes, McDonald's waived the rule and made the annual $50,000 payments for a full 20 years through 2014. Also, there was a McRefugee, where McRefugees are poor people in Hong Kong, Japan, and China who got to use McDonald's 24-hour restaurants as a temporary hostel. And I hope you learned something about McDonald's today. Thank you.